Welcome to View's low voltage training videos. The overarching goal is to illustrate some key highlights for installing View's product line. You must become familiar with shipping labels, product item numbers, packing slips, interconnect drawings in its entirety, and the bill of materials, which is located on the interconnect drawings. Chapter 11. Installing power insert cables and connectors. The power insert cable is a 4-conductor 14-gauge cable that is run from the control panel to a predetermined point on the trunk line as designated by the interconnect drawings. The power insert cable is used to provide additional power to the system. This cable is provided by View, and it is shipped in 500-foot or 1,000-foot rolls. Here is the material provided by View. Locate the power insert cable inside of the interconnect drawings. Each power insert cable will be identified by a number if more than one is required. Refer to the trunk schedule on the one-line diagram to identify all power insert cables and numbering system. Installer will be running home runs from the View control panel to each power insert point. Installer is required to label each power insert home run cable. Installer terminates a field wireable connector onto the power insert cable. Installer connects the power insert cable into the power insert T. Installer attaches male power insert connector to the top of the control panel and applies appropriate label. Refer to interconnect drawings for proper labeling. Here is a look at the finished product. Thank you for watching View's low voltage training video. Be sure to always reference the most current View interconnect drawings, installation guides, and datasheets. For questions or additional information, email lowvoltagetraining@view.com or contact your View project manager.